Pb3 and PCl5. Today we have our discussion towards oxides of phosphorus. So when we talk about various oxides of phosphorus, now phosphorus forms P2O3, P2O3. This actually exists as P4O6. Okay, so P2O3 is just empirical formula of P4O6. This is also called as phosphorus trioxide. Okay, this is called phosphorus trioxide. Another we have P2O4. This is called phosphorus tetraoxide. And another we have P2O5, which actually exists as P4O10. This is called phosphorus pentoxide. Okay, so these are just empirical formula. Okay, actually molecule exists as P4O10. What are the oxidation states? In P4O6, the oxidation state of phosphorus is +3. P2O4, it is +4. P2O5, it is +5. The major oxides which we will discuss are P4O6 and P4O10, which we will talk about in today's class. So first of all, let us talk about P4O10, P4O6, or also written as P2O3 at many places. This is called as phosphorus trioxide. Now phosphorus trioxide is prepared when we burn yellow phosphorus in limited amount of oxygen gas. Okay, in a limited supply of oxygen gas, if we burn, we get P4O6. Also, some amount of P2O5 or P4O10 is also formed. Okay, both are formed, but if we have oxygen in a limited quantity, majorly we will get P4O6. Okay, so this is formed by the combustion of burning of yellow phosphorus in limited amount of air, we get P4O6. Then physical properties. Physical properties of P4O6. So it is a white crystalline solid, white crystalline solid, okay, with garlic like smell. It has a low melting point of just 295.5 Kelvin. Okay, so basically at normal room temperature it will melt easily. 295 Kelvin is approximately 20 degrees Celsius, 22, and boils at 400 Kelvin. Along with this, it is poisonous in nature. So these are some small properties or points about P4O6. Note कर लीजिए बेटा. सुशांत बेटा रोल नंबर डालिए प्लीज।
सर स्क्रीन ऊपर कर सकते हो?
हाँ एक सेकेंड। सुशांत प्लीज पुट योर रोल नंबर बेटा। सुशांत बेटा प्लीज रीनेम योर नेम। सुशांत नायर। Okay, next physical properties. After that we'll talk about the chemical properties of P4O6. Now when we talk about chemical properties, so normally we talk about chemical properties of any substance. There are 2-3 basic reactions which we have to discuss. It is, first of all, it's combustion. Okay, if it can be combusted further, it's reaction with water, hydrolysis reaction. Okay, and it's oxidizing or reducing nature, and also stability. So P4O6 is little bit stable, but if heated, the first comment upon its stability. So stability, what do we mean by stability? Beta, whenever we heat something, if it dissociates into its constituent atoms or elements, that means it is little less stable. Or, you know, if somebody needs to be heated to very high temperature, only then it dissociates into its constituent atoms, then we'll say it is very stable. But even with moderate temperature, 200-300 degrees Celsius, if something breaks apart, that means it is less stable. It's not very highly stable. Okay. So when we talk about stability, beta, in this sense, when P4O6 is heated at around 670 Kelvin, that is approximately 300 degrees Celsius, it breaks into P2O4, okay, plus P4. P2O4 plus P4. So like this. So if we have P2O3, it breaks into P2O4 and yellow phosphorus. So this is a kind of a disproportion reaction. How? In P2O3, phosphorus is in +3 oxidation state, P4 0, P2O4 it is +4. Okay, so from +3, some atoms go to +4, some atoms go to 0. So it disproportionate in upon little strong heating in absence of air. The key point here is absence of air, because if otherwise, if you heat it with in presence of air, or we'll say next reaction with oxygen. So as some of you may be thinking, if this is burnt, it will form P2O5. Okay, so P2O3, if burnt, will form P2O5. Okay, now it is because it's simply oxidation reaction, beta. P2O3 can still be further oxidized. So if it is heated with oxygen gas, in presence of oxygen gas, it will get oxidized. But if it is heated in absence of any air, in absence of oxygen especially, it will disproportionate. Okay, so this reaction here was disproportionation reaction. So another point, remember what is disproportionation? कि +3 से कुछ atoms have gone to +4, some atoms have gone to 0. कुछ ऊपर गए, कुछ नीचे गए. Some have oxidized, some have produced the same atom. Okay, so that is disproportionation if something like that happens. This is reaction with air. Then one of the most important reaction of this guy is reaction with water. क्योंकि with water it gives two different types of reactions. So first is with cold water. If this reacts with cold water, so we'll say P2O3 plus water cold gives 2H3PO3. It gives H3PO3. क्या नाम है बेटा इसका? कल बात किया था हमने, phosphorus acid. Okay, it is phosphorus acid. With cold water, it forms phosphorus acid. Now, in phosphorus acid, the oxidation state of phosphorus is +3. P2O3 में भी +3 था. So cold water में there has been no oxidation, no reduction. Simple hydrolysis it has happened. However, if we do reaction with hot water, boiling water, something else happens. Here P2O3 plus water, this time hot water, it disproportionates into H3PO4 and PH3. ठीक है, इसको बैलेंस कर लेते हैं. 2, 6, 3. So if you look carefully, beta, here P2O3 phosphorus was in +3 state. H3PO4 phosphorus is in +5 state. तो क्या हुआ? Oxidation. But who has oxidized it? Not water, beta. It has reduced itself as well. In pH3, it is -3 state. So some phosphorus have gone from +3 to +5. तो क्या हुआ ये? Oxidation. Some have gone from +3 to -3. This is reduction. Okay, so it is also a disproportionation. So it disproportionates with hot water. It disproportionates in hot water. Note कर लीजिए बेटा, this is the reactions, chemical reactions of P2O3. ध्यान से देखो, in case of any doubt. So these are the general reactions which are of our concern. एक और है, cut out. Hope you have noted it. Let us move further. Reaction with chlorine. Now this P2O3 reacts with chlorine to give POCl3 plus PO2Cl. इसके स्ट्रक्चर्स बाद में बात करेंगे बेटा। POCl3 का नाम है फॉस्फोरस ऑक्सीक्लोराइड, and PO2Cl is metaphosphoryl chloride. Okay, here phosphorus +3 में था बेटा P2O3 में, and from +3 it has become +5 in POCl3, +5 in PO2Cl. Here chlorine has acted like an oxidizing agent. Chlorine gas here has oxidized P2O3. From +3 to +5 we get two compounds, phosphorus oxychloride and metaphosphoryl chloride. Note कर लिया बेटा? Then next we have structure. So in structure beta, it has a cage like structure. तो अगर इसका स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है आप कुछ ऐसा सोच सकते हैं। तो कैसे करना है बेटा? इफ यू रिमेंबर द चेयर फॉर्म ऑफ अ साइक्लोहेक्सेन, तो एक चेयर फॉर्म में इस तरह से ये बनाना है। ओके, क्लियर? और ऊपर एक फॉस्फोरस एटम बिठा दो टू कंप्लीट द केज, and each phosphorus atom is connected to other phosphorus atom with an oxygen bridge like this. Okay, so this is now P4O6. This is your P4O6. There is nothing called as P2O3. P2O3 is just empirical formula of P4O6. Okay, so actually compound exists as P4O6. It has a cage-like structure. Each phosphorus has sp3 hybridization. So sp3 hybridization है means each phosphorus atom has one lone pair as well. Okay, it has one lone pair and 3 sigma bonds per phosphorus atom. In total there are, अगर if we count POP bonds, तो POP bonds means ये bridge, अगर किसी एक को ये जैसे ये POP, this is one bond. Okay, तो इस तरह से how many bonds do I have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. We have total 6. We have a total of 6 POP bonds. Okay, how many PO bonds? अगर सिर्फ PO bonds की बात करें बेटा, तो if you again count carefully, तो ऐसे questions they come. Number of PO bonds here, ठीक है, number of POP और bridging oxygen, ठीक है, तो POP को एक और नाम दे देते हैं ये bridging oxygens. तो ब्रिज बना रहा है. ओके, एंड if we talk about PO bond, so beta each bridge is made of 2 PO bond. So if you count properly, we will see we have 12 PO bonds. Pi bond कितने बेटा? There is 0 pi bonds here. There is no pi bonds in P4O6. तो structure ध्यान से देखना है. It is a cage-like structure. Phosphorus is sp3. There is a lone pair. ठीक है, and each phosphorus is connected to other phosphorus by an bridging oxygen. In total there are 6 bridging oxygens here. नोट कर लीजिए. ठीक है, the structure you should be very, इस स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर बेटा बहुत एग्जाम्स में क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं, तो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और भाई आगे P4O10 का भी आएगा, वो भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसे ठीक है, आई होप ड्रॉ करना आ गया स्ट्रक्चर आपको.